Hi, I'm Mr. Lopes. I'm going to take this off because I don't have anybody inside of 6 feet here, but wanted to introduce myself and say hello. I'm the 7-8 split team teacher for social studies, so I'll be teaching 7th grade world geography and 8th grade US history. My contact information here and my phone number. I had a couple pictures of my family. This is my wife, Mrs. Lopes, and our daughter, Maeve. And we spent a lot of time in our backyard this year, so we built the tree house. So I spent a lot of time planning and building that out together. But as far as our class goes, 7th grade world geography, it's really world geography and ancient civilizations part 2. So it's a picking up of where 6th grade left off last year. We'll begin with a review of the tools and concepts of geography, and then we'll cover Asian geography and history, Australian and Oceania geography and history, and then we'll head for Europe, look at the history with a focus on Greece and Rome. And then if we have time and we get to it this year and a lot of things are still up in the air, we'll look at foundations of American government with a focus on North America and the colonial period. And that'll lead us really well into 8th grade, which if you have us this year for 8th grade, it'll be American history and civics. So in 8th grade, we'll look at the foundations and philosophies that shape the American government. That's a great transition from where we would end in 7th grade. We'll cover the American Revolutionary War, the U.S. Constitution, and all the challenges in building and developing our government, our form of government. And then we'll turn our focus to westward expansion and all the way up through the Civil War and the causes of the Civil War, including slavery. And then again, as we have time, or the end of the year is kind of up in the air, but we'll look at amendments, Supreme Court decisions. We'll look at Massachusetts state and local government. We'll have some civics projects tied in there. We'll cover the election this year and a lot of current events, which everybody knows is in the news and really relevant to this year in this course. You can check out icivics.org if you want to have kind of a sneak peek of our curriculum and where we're going this year. Again, there's my contact info. This year is going to be all about flexibility, adaptation, moving forward together, working hard together, and building knowledge and character. We're definitely going to have some fun too, but one of the things I value most about our class or our time or our year together in middle school is developing that character. I love Martin Luther King's quote, "Intelligence plus character is the goal of true education." So even if we find some road bumps or hiccups in the curriculum and how much we get through, we can still focus on building good character and developing those skills that will make us the future leaders and people that we want to be. And then this last one I thought was relevant for this year. Life can only be understood backwards, but must be lived forwards. And we'll look back on this time or period in time someday and say, what did we learn from it all? And that's one of the jobs we have as teachers, is to kind of sow the seeds or invest in the things that will make your kids or you guys better when you look back on this. And Shakespeare said it, what's past is prologue, meaning everything that we've gone through leads us up to what we experience right now. And we'll try to be as relevant and in the moment and do as much as we can together and virtually this year. So I'm looking forward to it. If you have any questions or want to get in touch with me, please at any time. And next time you see me, we'll most likely be with this back on my face. So we'll see you soon. Take care.